Hey, what up, ledges? It is 34 minutes past 2 in the afternoon in the UK, British summertime. It's the 15th of June. We've just had the New York Open. This morning's trade took us down to the bottom of this value area where we got out. Just looking to see if there's anything off of the Open we can hop on board. There's a little bit of demand kicking in there. That's the 15-minute. That's the 15-minute. Sellers in control. 15-minute. No signals. So this is interesting. So we spent the morning coming down. We went sideways. We tried to push lower. We changed the value area changed because we were a lot higher earlier today. The value area was up here. We've moved the value areas down. The depot flipped. You can see probably on this one the depot flipping. So when the depot flips, where did it flip there? It pushed us away. We came up, reclaimed it, and we're up above the depot now. We've tested the MAs. We've come up again. We've backed down. We've tested the MAs. This is interesting though. This is really interesting. Look at this. Cumulative delta has gone mad, and this is really important. See this red block above the line, that's delta imbalance. Right, so I reckon, so there's a tweezer there. Do like tweezers. So we've got a couple of ranges. We've come up, we've gone sideways, consolidated, broken out, sideways, consolidated, broken out, push back down. Now it's interesting, if we retake that coupled with this delta here and that imbalance, and even if we don't get any signals, we can just go on price action and a little bit of order flow. We might be looking to, so we're holding this area again, which was important area here, it's important area here, so we might be looking to get back up into this area. Who knows? I have no idea where it's going to go. However, if we do break above that tweezer, I'm going in. And where am I going to put my stop? My stop, that's too far away. I'm not putting it down there. That's far too far away. What I will probably do, see these consolidation areas here. So we've got tweezer up. That came back there. So there's that low there. To be super safe, probably go below that area there. So we'll probably go, if we do go long, we'll go below there. Because I do like consolidation blocks as well. Oh, there you go. Depot's just flipped. Depot is just flipped. So that is where, so I'll probably go below here. Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's handy. So when the depot flips, you usually get a push away from the depot. Now I'm hoping, but this is dying down a little bit here, so we're gonna have to see what happens, because this is still a bit of volatility off of the Open. I'm just gonna have a look and see what happens here. This still looks good. Go on. Still looks good here. This is diminishing. Look like we're pushing down. If we push down, no, we've tried to push below the depot, and see this area here that we identified about 5 minutes ago when I started talking. If we hold this area, and then if we push above there, so what we'll do, we'll just put a contract in there. I'll stick it on that tweet, just above that tweezer. So look, we've got an look at that. We've just got our entry. I was going to say we had an imbalance there, a negative imbalance, but there you go. Look again, we're back up. This is up. Fuck off. Right. X pace. So at least we're gonna target the top of this range here. Possibly we might have some trouble around here, but if we can get above this value area high, we can get back into the value area that we had this morning. So this is from this morning. That the value area was up here, wasn't it? And the default was up here. So we're looking good at the moment. Where's my stop? Right, I did say I was going to move my stop below there, didn't I? There we go. Let's put the stop in there. We're below. Actually, it makes no sense there. Let's put it there. So we're below the depot, and then we're below this consolidation area here. We'll see. Might get stopped out, might not. Who fucking knows, eh? Pay your money, you take your chances. So they say. So I've gone top of that range. When was that from? From this morning. That's 15 minute top of that range. Yeah, top of that range from this morning. Let's see what happens. So I do like tweezers because they kind of give you some sort of idea, or give you a level to work off of. I mean, they don't work in isolation. Of course they don't. You know, it's not. You know, it's just two candles with the same high or low price. You know, so it's not fucking rocket science. But it gives you a level to work on, and if you couple that with your value areas, your depots, your MAs, your histogram, especially that's fucking massive imbalance there. It's huge imbalance, that red above the line, and this as well. That just fucking screams long all day long. That you don't usually see these early, but you can see that X pace there. You know, that's kicked right in. You know, usually that comes in really fast because that's the pace of trades. So that's the speed of the tape. So that can move really quickly, but you can tend to get groups of them. You know. But what it does is when you're in a trade and you've still got this and you've got no reds and it's just fucking motoring north, it gives you some sort of confidence that you've made the right decision. And it's just about fucking taking your chances in the right direction, and then holding your nerve. You just got to hold your fucking nerve, let it ride. You know, if it comes back and stops us out, I can actually, what I'm going to do then, because I said that tweezer there, I'm going to go, that's the bottom of that candle there, so that's these two candles, I'm going below that. We're still offside. If we pull back, we're still offside. But who cares? Right, so we're hitting this area here, which was a trouble area. It was the depot from earlier on. So look at the ranges. So see this nice range here, lovely little range there. So that takes us right up to the top of that value area. So we're going to ignore that old depot, and we're just going to use this range here and see if we can get up here. Now, once we get up here, we'll make a decision. Do we get out? What's it looking like? What are the deltas looking like? What's the X base looking like? What's the histogram looking like? You know, what are these looking like over on the left? Are we getting any signals that say we're going to go short? So we'll look out for all of that. I'm happy. We are 14 points on side. You do the math. It's about 60 ticks, right? So we're having a little bit of problem getting through this, but look at that, look at that histogram. Look. Boom. It's gone north, hasn't it? It's gone north, bruv. Yeah, bruv. Okay, so it looks like it's just blowing everything out of the water here, which is pretty cool. So I want to have a look and see. It needs to break above here for starters. This level needs to break above there. It needs to break above that level. If it breaks above that level, and then does it break above there? And does it, if it tags that, does it come back below here? Because that's a consolidation area before we break south. So if it breaks above there, does it break above there? You know, we're always looking at the price action. What's it doing? Who's in control? Buyers or sellers? Are we making new highs? I mean, it doesn't always work. Of course it doesn't. It can make a new high and it can fucking reverse, take you out. But we'll just try and follow the trade up. It's actually, considering it's the open, it's not too bad, because sometimes it breaks north and then it breaks south and it breaks north and breaks south, and you just keep getting stopped out. And I do not like trading that, but I've got tweezer and I'll trade against that, and I'll have my stop below the below the Depop or the value area low, and if you get stopped, you get stopped. So we're now at the top of this range here. So what's it going to do? Right, I'm going to bring my stop up. So I want to be following this up really, to be honest. So I'm going to see this candle here. Boom. I'm going to go below that one. So if it gets stopped out, I'm on side, which is great. Let's have a look at the ranges. See where I've put my stop. Yeah, I've put my stop below there. Look. Below that range there. Resistance became support. Garbage. What was the name of that? Them two fucking nuggets. Oh, I forget the name. Oh, run their support and resistance, and they have all their Versace bags and their fucking Lambos, rented Lambos, and hotel rooms with watches all over the bed. What the fuck were they called? Forex something or other. Right, so I didn't even notice that because we were already in the trade. We've got a signal there, pull back, and then you've got double algo, treble algo there. So you've got stooges with trend, pullback with trend, and you've got a positive on the downswing. So that's triple stooges. Sorry, triple algo. This is still looking great. That's coming off a bit. M-Pace is coming off a bit. Let's see what happens, See what happens. Maybe we'll come down and we'll test the Depop. See this area, consolidation area here. Maybe we'll test the top of that and go north. If we break below it, we're probably going to come out. Yeah, got fucking imbalance again. That imbalance there. It's just one bar though. Red on the histogram above the line. So look at that, you've got it across here as well. Blue below the line. Look, blue below the line. There, and you've got a red candle straight after. Like I say, it doesn't work every single time, and you have to have confluence. You have to have lots of pieces of confluence adding together, building a story. If you have a look on mbox Mike's YouTube channel, he goes through, he's got hundreds of videos that show you how to build a story, what's happening, what's going on, what's the order flow telling you, is it giving you a bias, is it giving you a direction. You couple that with a load of levels, you pick whatever levels you want. I mean, I use MAs, people say MAs don't work, well, they fucking work for me. People use VWAPs. VWAPs are pretty fucking good. I tend to use value areas and Depops and tweezers, and they work for me. If it works for you, fucking trade it. If it doesn't work, don't fucking trade it. Do you know what I mean? It's up to you. It's up to you to make these decisions. No one can tell you how to trade. Absolutely fucking no one. You can give the same strategy to 1,000 people, and 1,000 people will fucking lose money because humans are fucking idiots. It's just so counterintuitive staying in a trade. absolutely taking a trade, making a decision without fucking, you know, going fucking mental, but you paralysis by analysis. You just gotta fucking stick your money in, stick your oar in, and have a go, yeah, and have some confidence in your strategy. So there you go, rant over. Right, so we're up at the top of this range here. We're pulling back. Right, so we've got 1, 2 candles. I think I is going to go to the bottom of that candle there, which is below this deeper here, and that might be us. We'll see what happens. Yeah, people are stupid, by the way. This is my view. Yeah, no, what do you really think? Yeah, people are stupid, especially when it comes to trading. It's so counterintuitive. Trading psychology. Have a think about that. Go and read some books. There are some good books out there. Don't read Trading in the Zone by that fucking Mark Douglas. It's about a dog. It's about a dog that bites someone. And guess what? Because one dog bit him, he's fucking scared of all dogs. There you go. That's the whole premise of the book. Really good books. Denise Shull. And that is Market Mind Games. It's pretty good. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Can't even say his name. It's pretty good. Yeah, trading psychology. You know, you've just got to not shit yourself, not shit your pants. If you're in a trade, don't shit your pants. Oh dear. I tell you what helped me. You know, for the first fucking 8 years. I give it, you know, not giving a shit. If you don't give a shit about making money, you're more likely to make money, and that's the counterintuitiveness of it, isn't it? Because you're doing this to make money. Yeah, you've got to run it as a business. You know, you buy some shit, you sell some shit. Sometimes you sell it for more than you bought it, and sometimes you don't. You know, some deals are good, some deals are bad. Them's the fucking breaks. Right, we're up at the value area. There, look. I'm going to move under there. It's still not like fucking going north though. Look at this shit. Check this. Check this. So we've broken above this level now. So now I'm in trouble because I need to work out where I'm going to get out. I don't fucking know, do I? Right, I'll tell you what we do. We go onto this chart here. I'll bring that up. Try and get some sort of fucking idea where we go. Fucking watch out. Right, that's the Asian range low we've just tagged. What's above there? 127 range extension. I don't think we're getting up there, not unless we break above this level here. If we break above this, then yeah, brilliant. But we're having, look at the size of these candles. Look, we're up at the top of the range of this candle here. That's 60 ticks on, so 60 points on side. You do the math, 240 ticks. I'll fucking do with it. That do's, mate. Let's bring this back into line. Do me, what are we? We are 1452. Big trade off the open, up to the top of that range, taking profit. That's it, jobbed. That was an easy one. Better than the one this morning, which was just a grindy one. Just kept going and going and going and going. But there you go. Some days are like that, some days ain't, you know. Some days I'll get stopped out every fucking trade, and you kind of want to give up for a bit. But there you go. If you like that video, like and subscribe below, and fingers crossed, tomorrow is Friday. We'll do some more. I'll log on and have a look. I don't know if I'll take a trade. 2 trades today. That's pretty good without a stop out. That's pretty unheard of for me. But I have had a break, so my brain is a little bit less frazzled than it was before, because I think the last video I did, I got stopped about 5, 6, 7, 8 times, trying to keep the stops as small as possible, and then you can trade on. You've got to set yourself a limit. You know, don't go on tilt and just keep fucking piling in. Set yourself a daily limit on how much you can lose. Never concentrate on how much you can make. Always concentrate on how much you can lose, because if you lose your capital, you can't trade. And if you can't trade, you can't put fucking food on the table, and that's it, mate. Okay, end of rant, end of story. Like I said, like and subscribe below, and then we'll try and have a go at some trading tomorrow. We can have another go. Cheers, guys.